Yes, for those of you who are following us on Lakwed TV, my name is Deben Festo, and tonight, I'm here to just make a very quick announcement, and I'll be gone. Don't worry, I won't take your time. So, this is Lakwed TV. I've been announcing in the recent live videos that I've been doing, not only on Lakwed TV, but also from our sister channel, Tara Paluo, where I've been telling you and announcing that every weekend we have a program called Lawala Palwak, which is a partnership between Lakwed TV and Radio Patches, where we broadcast it live from Radio Patches' studio. So right now here, I'm just here to make announcement for some quick change, something that happened. I remember when I was talking to you, I was also mentioning things to do with our program that is going to be on Monday night. Now, Monday night from 9 p.m., we were supposed to have all the contestants of Member of Parliament tomorrow county. It was meant for Monday, and Monday would be, I think, 23rd, something to do with that. Yes, so it's a bit unfortunate that I think it's fortunate. It shouldn't be unfortunate because it's fortunate that we just instead of postponing it to a further date, we actually narrowed it to tomorrow night, which is actually Saturday, Saturday 21st. It's going to be from 9 p.m. Ugandan time, and we shall have all these candidates. And guess what? It's just marvelous. This is the battle of Omoro. It's just going to be really, really, really serious. We're talking about the by-election in Omoro. So that is actually what is going to exactly happen. Trust me, we have boys here that that really really look serious in what they do. So um, we can't wait to hear from their mouth. I think we haven't put them together to like really tell us what they have for us. So I think they will bully each other, they will talk about each other, or even, you never know, sometimes it may be really really hard for them to start speaking bad about each other when they're all in the same room. So it's going to be quite interesting, trust me. We have Tolit, the former member of parliament and contestant as well, who was in a DP ticket, but now is in Noop. I can't wait to hear from him as well. We also have this guy now called Odong Justin. Is from FDC. Odong Justin, he's actually the one representing FDC, and we shall also hear from him. And then there is this guy called Kiza Oscar. He's from Ant, and he's also going to be there. I'm seeing a lot of young faces, including the moderator who is Palaring. Palaring is also a very young guy. So it's going to be a room of very, very energetic people, plus experience as well. I really know that Mr. Terence Odonga, yeah, he's also one of them. He's independent and is going to pull out, I think, a very great show with these young boys. I know he's really, really, I've spoken with him, I've met him. His video is also coming actually tomorrow. So I spoke to him, I had an interview with him, and he really has issues, like not the bad one. yeah, he really has good things to talk about. So we also have Onen Jimmy. Onen Jimmy is also independent. So we are going to have all these guys, including Ojok Andrew, who is actually a flag bearer for NRM in Omoro. So we shall see and decide probably. Uh, I know it's not going to determine the voting anything close to that, but it's good when we hear them speak. What would they have for us? What they have for Omoro County? So it's actually going to be 9 p.m. Saturday, 21st. So mark your time, Ugandan time, 9 p.m. Saturday, 21st. And it's going to be live on Lakwed TV, coming out of Radio Purchases Studio. So it's going to be marvelous. I really think you should not plan to miss this. Lakwed TV, your local content, global audience. But before I leave, I think I should do the local language as well. In Mighty Nanwa, Lakwed TV, Anya la did the ben, kombedi enini, atiga mir miwe, Allah, kom yup ma mekwa. Makita ber ka watch ne program mukene ni wan icheng baraja mapat ki yupwa maberi chiambichel me la wala palwa icheng baraja an kachel ki palaring me radio patches no watika door program me gor dog mabi gor dog lutela egonioli weng igen mag waloni debate debate anoni mono lar lok ma no bitime no miro time ching baraja chikongi guma be ko ki guma rach kinyi rodare ma bitime dong direni ki come ichiam bichiel man kono chiam bichiel men yando piere chiel do ma beach mwaka en man me alip rio ki piere rio we rio na ala inotime mabere kuno inoni ba joma wan wabi kelo gini no watiki word pa lieli Jock Andrew Olanya ma ena ila chumpi da bandera pa NRM kadong tolit Simon Akeja man won ko machan me FDC madong kumbiti endong tie ulakeo I nup kai neno interview ma an cheng cha ber kere ena wachini ena chere otie change dire beno be wachu madunga kenyo waini chere otie pien kunu tie da olo tie ye eno nika ini watiki udong Justin ma NTFDC angene endo bino chalo like a rescue person and ngat mapat ena no tie jemne beno time la kirmoni kinyo ma loke beno weng ti Lakwed TV ga kany won beno miro ngi chio nen lok ma kiwajo ma luke ki lok kom gien motime kom ngat ma no miro chung pi FDC kumbiri bena watiki Kiza Oscar man ma NT ant and ko ene pa mugisha munturi pol dan pero ngene mabe tutwal mono ene pat eno pa mugisha muntuni en benetie neno ubi bino ki remo maliet wang matete ana tega neno kany boro dong ka chel ki dong Justin ka chel ki Kiza Oscar ka kaulanya jokolanya so aneno Ludiru money bana tiga ka en ma koni gen gibi ma kebe ne ka charge ma megi man kono Terence Odonga ka chel ki ma en engineer Terence Odonga ka chel ki onen Jimmy Walter ma gianre on wengiti independent kona ngeni dong ka o lok me mwaka dong gen kone gi chele gen ke tolera keja gi dong man ene jeme ma tawni omira awaj botu kuno program wa macheng jui be wipu will ni notie mer ma furu chung ki ket matikere ket macheng jui one cheng jui i radio patches no watie live chiambi chel duju ni chaka chawa aboro medicheng o kere wa cha pa so kawa timu ni tap enoni diri en kidi wo achel enoni man me niano dwe piare wa chel chiambi chel ene doma beach mahali wario ki piare rio wario le ene no watika goro dok luchungule en man magiti by election yo li weng wabikelo gi studio chawa dek medi wo mana tamu ni piare tek won machalo mun lubo wa Lakwed TV nge report man wekno konyo wi ket man loko wan ket ma cheng yu timu kede mane ina laga po beri mir tutwal borwan yo mir no wakere ero pikit cha manu don wano no no waram gor kere dok wi giono wen ka chel ana wakere ye chawale eni ana foi wudutwal ana did ben people will subscribing channel ma megwa kero lang kenyo wakani mala chen ma wakere videos manyen no in itiga nene na machel nyo itikin jo achel manogu chak neno ne ana foi matek jaka malo ba med boto gum